Come on, nigga. I'm playing it right now.
Hold up.
Alright, so we here, you know what I'm saying? We got started around, you know, premieres the next Friday. So, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get through editing, all that type shit. You know what I'm saying? I got Jaden, I got Emilio, I got Christina, I got Elle. We got everything going on. I got my boy in the behind the camera, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put his app down below if you need any pictures, all that type of shit, you know what I'm saying? His shit don't come cheap, so don't even try to downplay his ass.
Yeah, fucking exactly just like that.
He's recording for the vlog. He's recording for the behind the scenes.
Oh, cool. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, you got a whole bunch of bullshit.
Look at that right there. You know what I'm saying? We going down.
You know.
Exactly.
Check it out.
Yes, that one's fire.
That fire, sir. I said that. That bitch fire.
Hey, right, bro. I'm telling you, bro. YouTube red. YouTube. Shout out to y'all. We couldn't have done this without y'all.
Next week.
It's helping us. Why are you guys helping sound around?
Homie, bro.
Looking out for the homie, bro. Fuck is you saying?
Is it dancing? Is it dancing?
A little bit. Yeah. Nah, her shit. This shit is fire. Sorry, this is.
Oh God.
He walking.
I did it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so we here. You know what I'm saying? We finished. First day of doing this shit. We got more. I think we shoot. The next time we shoot is Wednesday. So this is the last shot we'll be doing for today. I appreciate everybody that came out for today. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see y'all the next time. So what we do now? Shit. Make part 2, nigga.